Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that so many of us can relate to. How to live, not just survive, but truly live comfortably, even when you're on a tight budget. It's not about feeling deprived. It's about being smart and intentional with your money to build a life you love. So, if you're ready to make your money work harder for you, stick around. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of financial wellness, budgeting. I know, the word budget can sound restrictive, but think of it as a roadmap to your financial freedom. It's about telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a simple notebook or a free app. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Maybe that daily coffee is adding up, or you have subscriptions you completely forgot about. Identifying these money leaks is the first, powerful step toward taking control. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making a plan. I love the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. That's 50% of your income for needs like housing and groceries, 30% for wants like entertainment or dining out, and 20% for savings and paying off debt. Now, this is just a guideline. The key is to customize it for your life. If your housing costs are high, maybe you'll need to adjust the other categories. The goal is to create a realistic plan that you can actually stick with, one that doesn't make you feel stressed. Okay, let's get into some practical, game-changing tips. When it comes to groceries, meal planning is your absolute best friend. Before you go to the store, plan your meals for the week and make a detailed list. This simple habit prevents impulse buys and reduces food waste, saving you a ton of money. And don't forget to shop your own pantry first. You'd be surprised what delicious meals you can create with what you already have. Learning a few simple, versatile recipes can also make your budget-friendly meals feel like a treat, not a sacrifice. Now, what about bills, utilities, phone, internet? These can take a huge chunk out of your income. But did you know many of these costs are negotiable? Don't be afraid to call your service providers once a year and ask for a better deal. Mention competitor offers or ask if you qualify for any new promotions. The worst they can say is no, but you'd be surprised how often a polite phone call can lower your monthly bills. Also, be mindful of your energy and water usage. Small habits like unplugging electronics and taking shorter showers really do add up over time. Finally, living comfortably and just about cutting costs. It's about finding joy in affordable or free activities. Explore local parks, have a picnic, visit the library for free books and movies, or host a potluck with friends instead of going out. Your community is full of hidden gems that don't cost a thing. Building a rich life has more to do with your experiences and relationships than with how much you spend. Remember, financial well-being is a journey, not a destination. Be kind to yourself, celebrate your small wins, and focus on progress, not perfection. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these tips help you feel more empowered on your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. I'd love to hear your best money saving tips in the comments below. See you in the next video.